Welcome back to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change user interface in Adobe Illustrator. Very easy and fun. So let's begin. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to come to the top right here, go to edit. Then from edit, you have to come down below right here, go to preferences. Then from preferences, then you have to navigate to general. Then at this point here, next thing you need to do is to navigate to user interface. Then you have them right here. So these are the normal interface that you can switch from dark right here to medium gray right here, or better still, you can switch to medium light, or better still, you can simply switch into pure white interface. So as for me in this tutorial, I'm going to switch to dark mode right here. Next thing I need to do is to come down below here and simply click on OK. With that, you are able to change your user interface in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tips and tricks about Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.